As you may know, probably from the background behind me, I am half Portuguese and half Peruvian. But since I'm half Portuguese, that means I'm paying a lot of attention to the Euro Cup. Portugal, in fact, will be going against the Czech Republic on Carol Day. I mean Thursday. And that means that Portugal has to work really hard. But I wanted to do a top 5, and that's going to be our theme for the week, by the way. Top 5 or top 10 list of whatever we so choose. And I decided to make a top 5 list of Portuguese facts. A top 5 things about Portugal. I hope you enjoy. In 1922, two local pilots, Gago Centino and Saco de Cabra, left the Portuguese capital for Rio de Janeiro in a seaplane called Santa Cruz to complete the first crossing of the South Atlantic. Coincidentally, the first North Atlantic flight landed in Lisbon 3 years earlier in 1919. The Portuguese man of war gained its name because the floats of the jelly greatly resembled the Marion helmets of the Portuguese soldiers in the 15th to 16th centuries. The Portuguese man of war is also known by the name the Portuguese warship and the Portuguese galley. Plus, I really recommend some of you look this thing up. It's pretty deadly and deserves the name man of war. Ian Fleming created James Bond in Portugal. The real Casino Royale can be located in Portugal. And James Bond got married in Portugal. Napoleon, the great military and political leader, the Emperor of the French, for a short time, tried to conquer Portugal 3 times and failed each and every time. Now for the last one. The Portuguese Empire lasted 6 centuries. It was the longest global empire in history. Portugal was in Macau, China for over 446 years, 290 years more than the occupation of Hong Kong by the British. That's how short my video was. So I hope to make it up to you with this little animation I did in class. Again, I'm really sorry just how short my video is, because I don't really have a lot of time during exams. I would have made it a top 10, but again, with time constraints, I had to leave it with top 5. I hope you enjoyed though, and I hope you will enjoy this little animation I did for my media arts class.